Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw an angel blowing a trumpet. So here you can see that I'm using my black marker to draw the angel. Here's her tiny face. And this is her trumpet. She has curly hair. Here's her big sleeves of her dress. Her tiny legs. Okay, now her dress is looking cute. Here's its big wing. Oh wow, my drawing is done. Let's do the coloring. I'm using orange. I'm using yellow color in her hair. I'm coloring her dress with green color. I'm coloring her sleeves with green. I'm using a light green color. I'm coloring her skin with pale orange color. Wow, she's looking amazing! Thank you so much for watching.